Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're using Adobe Reader and need to switch its language, maybe for work, travel, or just personal preference, then you're in the right place. This quick guide is tailored for the 2025 version, which has made the process even more straightforward. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, changing the language can make your experience a lot more comfortable. Let's dive right in and get you set up in just a few simple steps. First things first, make sure you have Adobe Reader installed and open on your computer. It's free and easy to download from the official Adobe website if you haven't already. Once it's launched, head to the top menu bar and click on Edit. From the drop-down list, select Preferences. This is your gateway to all the customization options. In the Preferences window, scroll down until you find the section labeled Internationalization, or simply Language. Don't worry if it looks a bit different based on your current settings. In the 2025 update, it's designed to be user-friendly. Once you're there, you'll see a drop-down menu for Application Language. Click on it and browse through the available options like English, Spanish, French, German, or whatever language suits you best. After selecting your preferred language, hit the OK button at the bottom of the window. Adobe Reader might prompt you to restart the application for the changes to take effect, so go ahead and do that. Once it's back up, open a PDF file to verify everything. Your interface should now be displayed in the new language. Pretty cool, right? And there you have it. You've just customized Adobe Reader to fit your needs. If you run into any hiccups, make sure you're on the latest 2025 version, and feel free to drop a comment below for help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tutorials. See you next time.